Hi, I'm Tom Nolle, president of CIMI Corporation. Salesforce.com's CEO just made an interesting point, which was that Windows 8 was going to be the end of the road for Windows. And whether we believe that Windows 8 is going to succeed or fail, I think there's a pretty good chance that he's right in that particular comment. And the reason is that Windows 8 is probably the poster child for a growing interest in creating an operating system that resides as much or more in the cloud as it does in the device that we're talking about. And obviously, if you take the trend of having an appliance slave to the cloud for its functionality, you're starting to look like something that's really nothing more than a browser with some minimal operating system functions to let it run with the hardware. So we may be seeing the whole idea of Windows going away as a real OS, at least as a device OS, and see it become increasingly a part of the cloud. And that may be why Microsoft has started talking about Windows Azure, meaning its cloud operating system with a distinctive Windows brand that's associated with it. And that could be an important step for Microsoft. It's also going to be a kind of a moment of truth for Apple, because Apple, of course, has got the other OS in a proprietary sense, at least with iOS. And is that going to be similarly slaved more to the cloud? Is Mac OS and iOS going to converge by coming together and becoming cloud hosted? Are we looking at the end of desktop virtualization, for example, because everything's in the cloud already and we don't need to virtualize anything to get it there? So this trend here, if it's true, and I think it very possibly is, could really be profound for the future of operating systems and appliance technologies. Thank you. I'm Tom Nolle.